We have evidence that Dr. Morin's unlawfully deleted government records.
A scathing report from the Select Committee on the Coronavirus Pandemic laid out how National Institute of Health official Dr. David Morenz may have deleted messages and evaded federal records requests as information was sought on the origins of COVID-19. He also apparently tried to protect his former boss, Dr. Anthony Fauci, and made jokes about former CDC Director Rochelle Walensky.
You should be ashamed of your character and embarrassed. I am glad that you are, and you should in fact apologize.
Morenz wrote in one of the emails released in the report he was sending messages to Fauci on his private Gmail to avoid FOIA, or Freedom of Information Act, requests. In another email, he had said he had learned from our FOIA lady here how to make emails disappear.
I wasn't lying. I was making a joke with Peter. I said something like, I have a way to make it go away, but that was just a euphemism.
The dressing down wasn't one-sided, as Democrats didn't back up Morenz's alleged conduct, but they didn't see the improper conduct as a smoking gun cover-up.
It is not anti-science to hold you accountable for defying the public's trust and misusing official resources.
The reprimand comes as the committee continues to probe how COVID started and the response to the global pandemic. Fauci has been accused of suppressing a theory that COVID was leaked from a lab in Wuhan, China, that used NIH funding for coronavirus experiments. Fauci told the committee in a written interview in January it wasn't a conspiracy theory. At least 2 government agency reports have given the theory credibility. Meanwhile, Senator Rand Paul is calling for a federal investigation for the alleged deleted messages.
I believe David Morenz is guilty of destroying evidence, but he's also implicated Tony in saying, I think Tony has done this as well.
Dr. Anthony Fauci is set to get grilled in front of Congress on June 3rd. It'll be his first testimony since leaving government about a year and a half ago. Reporting in Washington, I'm Matt Gelka.